sister just got her squishies. 100 little sponges. So yeah, I'm gonna close my eyes. Elizabeth, wait, Elizabeth. Okay, wait, okay. When should I open them? You guys can see it, hopefully.
Right.
Can I?
No. I didn't get squishies. Well, they didn't come yet.
You idiot! Okay. This was a complete fail.
I didn't expect that you would take it that seriously.
I hate you. I hate you.
I didn't expect you were so excited. You're like, oh, princess!
Oh. See, I'm still gonna upload this to YouTube because I already did.
Don't.
It's a prank.
I didn't.
I'm gonna have so many views.
I actually ordered squishies.
Yeah.
I actually ordered squishies, but they didn't come. They're supposed to come today, so stay tuned for that video.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for that video on my channel.
Oh no! She's crazy. You just grabbed the camera. You grabbed the camera. You can't get the man. You punched me in the stomach. Oh no! Ow! Now she's kicking me in the head. She hates me. This turned from a prank to pillow fight. Oh no! I threw her toy. Wait. No! Oh no! Barry! Give me back my bear. It's my bear! Give me back my bear!
So why was it on my bed?
Lisa, it is mine!
But then you threw it.
Elizabeth!
Wait, they're friends. Look.
She just realized what she did wrong her whole life.
They're friends.
Oh my god. Lisa, Lisa, I got this from the hospital.
I know.
Look, this is Canadian. Wait. Just,
Oh.
I think you just cracked your thing's eyeball.
No, I didn't.
No, it's your eyeball.
Mine has a very big eyeball.
And look, Oh! She just smacked the teddy bear on my head. Why?
So, Max, you got pranked.
I hate you. No, not you guys. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. So, back to killing my sister.
I got 2 of them.
Be right back.
I think so.
My head. Be right back. Oh no.
Oh my goodness. I need to get up.
Help me, she's scratching my head.
Take a minute. Okay, now I know.
Be right back. Hey, I'm gonna go take a peek in her diary.
Nope.
Nope. Ultimate revenge. I got her diary. And also, I also got her thick water.
No.
Hey, I'm gonna get sick. I was complaining, who's your daddy? I just drank some bleach. Oh, by the way, the perfume attack completely failed. Oh no!
Yeah,
Oh no, she's gonna kill me! Help! Okay, there's somebody outside. I'm gonna go down. She's gonna come and kill me! She's gonna come and kill me! She's gonna come and kill me, seriously.
Я думаю, что завтра с утра поедем, да?
Боже, она же такая, как ты.
Смотри, глаза здоровые.
Да. Что, может, не будешь когда тебе? Годик не будем? Не будешь?
Yeah! Okay, I'm back. Completely another area using editing. No idea what my sister is. Lisa! This just became war. I need to go get my helmet. Perfect, I found a garbage can. They're cleaning up for you. Now it's war. Oh my. I still look good. Lisa! Lisa, this is war! This is war! This is war! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh my
ended. I'm running away from my life. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Can you do the trick?
Oh, I don't want to do tricks. I don't want to do tricks on that thing. I really don't want to do tricks. So yeah. You guys.
Doing it.
So yeah. So you guys, that was the whole video. I'm just like in between like the light and the dark side. So yeah. Goodbye.